up, you guys? It's Andrea, or Peachybbies. Welcome back to another Peachybbies restocking video. This one tried out a little something new. So today we have literally a big batch restock, and not only is it a big batch restock, we are restocking a ton of my favorite winter slimes. Some of them are from last year, some of them are new, all of them are 100% Peachy approved. Let me just say, hi, what's up? My name is Andrea. You are on the Peachybbies YouTube channel. What should you do right now, you ask? You might be asking, you might not, I'm not really sure. You should go down below. You should subscribe to this channel. If you are subscribed, go comment Peachy fam. Also, while you're here, hey, just a heads up, what's going on? Hello, I have a new video. If you guys haven't seen it, it's a really funny video. You guys should go check it out. The second half is actually coming out on this channel this week. So all my social medias are down below where they normally are. You should click on them. You should follow them. You should comment a hedgehog on any of the social medias you follow so I know where you're from. Now we can get on with the restock. Okay, so starting off our winter batch of slimes, we have marshmallow cream. And marshmallow cream is a really thick, really fluffy clay-based slime. So this is definitely a slime that will inflate for you. And all of the butter slimes are very similar in the fact that they do the light, airy, fluffy thing. And I just want to let you guys know, because we have gotten complaints because sometimes they fluff up and they're too big and they don't fit in their containers anymore. So just be prepared. Have a bigger container on hand. And then we have another new slime. So this one is really interesting. When we first made this and I saw all of the foams rise to the top, the first thing I thought of was like a freshly risen bread. And of course it is scented like sweet French toast. So it is kind of a bread scent. So this one is French toast gloss. And the gloss part is from the super thick base that it starts off with. And then we take that gloss and we add in some big chunks of foam and then some small chunks of foam to make it look like freshly risen bread or French toast. Freshly risen French toast bread. Scented like French toast. It's super thick, super glossy, and it has some really nice clicks. So if you guys are a bread slime fiend and you don't want just the average like clay bread slime, you want something that's a little bit different than that, definitely go for French toast gloss. Then we have, okay, show of hands. You can comment them as emojis or you can raise them IRL sitting next to your computer, either or. Me. Which of you remember Snow Bunny? I'm sure there's some people who do and some people who don't, but we actually showed this to you guys last year. So Snow Bunny is, first of all, it smells amazing. It smells so good. It is a pink sugar kind of cotton candy scent. Smells super, super sweet, super delicious, and it is layered half white and half pink cloud dough or cloud fluff. We started switching the names up a little bit because a lot of people are thinking that our cloud doughs aren't drizzly on purpose. That's not the case. It's actually a different slime. There are 3 different types of cloud slimes that we sell in the shop. If you guys want to get a better idea of what those are and what they do, check down below. I have listed that for you guys. But this particular cloud slime has a mild drizzle. It's pretty thick and pretty holdable, as you guys can see in the video, but it's super, super soft to the point where you can get it to fluff up and feel a lot like cotton candy, somewhere between a cloud cream and a cloud slime that drizzles. And then when it's mixed together, it makes this really, really pretty pastel pink. Next, we have another new slime. I had you guys guess, and almost everybody who saw this slime in the container said that it was a fruitcake slime. And to those people, I will say you were close. It's actually a panettone. I think I'm pronouncing that right. If I'm not, please correct me. But it is a type of bread that is very similar to a fruitcake, but better. This one starts off with a classic Peachybbies bread slime base. So it's got that textured clay slime. Gets super light, super airy, super fluffy, and it is scented like freshly risen yeast bread bread and then a slight hint of candied fruit. So it's definitely more of a straight up bread scent. Then the really cool thing about this one is, of course, we couldn't just leave it brown. We got red, yellow, and green jelly slimes and we dotted them on the outsides of the containers, and you can mix it in yourself. So this one is also part of the Getting That Bread trio. I have not shown you guys that in the video yet, but I did talk about it on my Instagram. But I do believe we're going to have a few of these sold separately. So if you guys are really excited about that one, you want to snatch before they run out. I know we're going to be releasing a few after this video goes live, so check for that. Then we have another new slime. I know some of you guys might remember Mint Chip Mocha Cloud, so that one was a cloud slime. This one is a little bit different. I have been obsessed with thick slimes lately. If you know me, you know that I've been searching high and low for just thick slimes from every single shop. By the way, if you guys have any shops that I should buy from that have like amazing thick slimes, please leave them down in the comments. I'm really curious to see where you guys get your slimes. But this one is called the Grasshopper Milkshake. So this one is a sharp peppermint scent with a hint of dark chocolate in it. It is one of our thickest bases. I've been talking about our new and improved thick bases for a while, and this is one of them. It is super thick, but it's also really, really glossy as well. So you kind of get the best of both worlds. So if you're really into thick slimes, if you love mint chip stuff, as much as I do, I think that's gonna be hard to do because I'm kind of obsessed with mint chip stuff. But if you love mint chip stuff in general, you're gonna love this. Okay, this is, I have to say, if I had to pick one favorite out of the entire video, it would be this slime. This is like my pride and joy. I thought of this idea and it's like my favorite thing ever because this is my favorite cake ever. So let me introduce you guys to Angel Food Cake. So this slime is really interesting because of course it comes with that Peachybbies bread slime base, which is clay based, but it also has those shredded foams for a specific bread texture. When it's first packed in, it is a pretty dense slime. When you mix it up, it gets really fluffy. It has amazing sizzles. The classic, you know the drill, the classic bread slime based, but this one is scented like a freshly baked angel food cake. If you guys know what angel food cakes are like when you first take them out of the oven, oh my gosh, they're heavenly. They're like the best thing ever in my life. And this smells exactly like that. So I'm really, really happy with how it came out. And of course, we couldn't make this a basic angel food cake. We had to make it a rainbow sprinkle angel food cake because that's the best kind. And then it's topped off with a darker tan layer to kind of signify when you see the angel food cakes and they're darker on the outside. I thought it was a really cute touch. And that way it gives it a little bit of visual interest, something cool that you guys can mix together on Instagram. Next, we have another new slime. This one is Sugar Plum Fairy. So kind of the same texture as Snow Bunny. This one is half white, and then the other half is like a really pretty plum purple. These are both cloud drizzles or cloud doughs as well. So they're pretty thick, pretty holdable, but you can get, I would say a mild to high fluff out of them. If you guys can't decide between a cloud cream and a fully fluffing slime, this is definitely the best way to go because it does a little bit of both. This one has a really interesting scent. It's scented like tart plum candy. So you do definitely get that sweet note because it does smell like a candy, but it has a lot more of like a tart, almost cherry scent to it. It's really interesting. I love it a lot. You guys have to smell it. My favorite part is the fact that I made a specialty plum holographic glitter mix to put on the top. And if you guys get this one, please, please, please send me pictures. I really want to see how they look when you guys get them. I know that the hollow I'm using looks amazing under flashlight, and I'm really interested to see what creative ways you guys can show to film it. And then Then we have glacier jelly. So glacier jelly is a new jelly slime. Of course, new and improved recipe. Proven stretchier than the last recipe we used. So glacier jelly is a really pretty crystal blue and it is scented like fresh snow. If you wonder what fresh snow smells like, and you're thinking, Andrea, does that mean it smells like water? No and yes. It smells like a really fresh, crisp air. But it also kind of smells like water. It's really good. I like it a lot. And then we have little white beads to signify snowballs because I thought they looked pretty cute. I don't know, snowballs, glacier, you get it? Because like, it's cold. It's a good slime either way. I really like it. It's the only jelly slime in the shop right now, so definitely check it out. And then almost last but not least is, you guys have been asking for this one for so long, and I haven't been making it because the place that I bought the scent from no longer sold the scent. But finally, after a year of searching high and low for this maple candy scent, I have found it, and I bring you the one, the only Maple Cluster Cloud Cream. The Peachybbies slime that everybody remembers and everybody asks for now that I ran out of the scent. I found it again for you guys. I hunted it down and it's back in stock this week. Like I said, limited batches of everything because we do have a restock coming out for Black Friday and we didn't want to make too much because we knew you guys might be interested in that sale as well. So if you guys see something that you really want to get, I can guarantee you it won't be in the Black Friday sale. So if you guys want to grab something, definitely grab it soon. And then finally, I wanted to introduce you to a little gift set, a little sampler trio that we're also gonna have in the shop this week. So I didn't show these to you in 2-ounce portions because I didn't want to mess with any of the stock we'd already counted. So these are my personal portions. In the sampler, the Get This Bread trio, yes, I do love the name very much. We have Fairy Bread, a classic. We brought this to Slime Bash and everybody was obsessed with the scent. I'm obsessed with the scent. I know you guys are gonna be obsessed with the scent, but it's definitely more of a sweet sugar bread. So that's a definite fan favorite in the trio. But we also have the Panettone bread, which is the fruitcake bread, the one with all of the rainbow jellies in it. And then we have Angel Food Cake in the set. So you get all three of them. You get to sample all three of the bread textures. All three of them are very similar in texture, but they have different scents. They have different colors. If you're thinking of getting a gift for somebody, or if you just want to see what all of our bread slimes are all about, it's definitely the way to go. But that is it for this video. I really hope you guys like the restock. Expect more videos like this in the future. I'm really hoping to live stream on this channel soon. If I did, let me know what you'd want to see. I'm really curious. And if you stayed this long in the video, comment your favorite green emoji so that I can come and I can say hi because I'm always active in the first hour that every video goes live. Other than that, I love you guys very much and I hope you have a great day. Bye!